Look at this.
What kind of bird is that?
It's a goldfinch.
It looks almost like green.
Look. Oh, Lexi, don't chase it. Be nice, Lexi. Be nice. Go ahead. You can go by it. Be nice.
It looks almost like green.
Good girl, Lexi. Oh, what a good
It looks almost
girl.
like green.
That's the female. Oh, I don't know what that bird is doing.
I think Lexi's upset that she's not scaring it away.
Look at her. That birdie wants to come in. Be nice. Yeah, maybe he wants to be a pet. He doesn't want to live outside. Look at this. Wouldn't it be fun if we opened the window? He could come in. Look at her. She's like, how can I get that thing? Aww. He's looking for you, Lexi. Look at him.
That's weird. It's not
Whoops.
getting scared away.
Look. Oh no, he's gonna come over on the side. Oh my gosh.
It's weird that it's not getting scared away.
Come here, little birdie. Move over. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Okay, that is the most